Okay, I've set up my account on CEX.IO. Now what? Do I just hit a button that says make me rich?
Oh, rookie. If only it were that easy. Let me introduce you to the magic of limit and market orders. These are the tools that'll help you trade like a pro, not like someone at a casino.
Limit orders, market orders. Sounds complicated. Can I just flip a coin to decide?
Only if you want your wallet to cry. Let's start with market orders. This is the I want it now button of trading. You buy or sell at the best price available in the market. Quick and simple.
So it's like grabbing the last slice of pizza at a party.
Exactly. But that slice might be a little overpriced because everyone else wants it too. Market orders are great for speed, but you have to accept the current price, even if it's not perfect.
Got it. Fast but maybe expensive. What about limit orders?
Ah, limit orders are for people with patience and a plan. You set the exact price you're willing to pay or receive, and the order only goes through when the market hits that price. Think of it as leaving a note. I'll buy this pizza, but only if it's on sale.
Wait, so I can tell the market what I want to pay? That sounds amazing.
Yes, but there's a catch. The market might not hit your price. You could sit there watching other people grab their slices while you wait for your perfect deal.
So limit orders are for bargain hunters and market orders are for impatient snackers. But how do I actually use them on CEX.IO?
Easy. Here's the crash course. For market orders, just select the amount you want to trade, hit buy or sell, and bam, you're done. For limit orders, set your price, choose how much you want to trade, and then wait. It's like fishing. You set the bait and hope the market bites.
Fishing? I didn't sign up for this to be a fisherman. But I do like the idea of setting my own price. What do you recommend?
Depends on your strategy, my friend. If you're in a rush and okay with paying a little extra, go with market orders. But if you're patient and love a good deal, limit orders are your best bet.
Got it. So I just need to decide if I'm a pizza hog or a patient fisherman. Anything else I should know?
Just one thing, always double-check your numbers before hitting confirm. You don't want to accidentally buy 10 bitcoins when you only meant to buy 0.1. Trust me, it happens.
Noted. Thanks, wise one. Now let's see if the market's ready to give me my slice of crypto pie.
Good luck, and remember, whether you're fast or patient, always trade smart. Oh, and save me some pizza.